Okay, you can see that painting is going on. We're getting closer, and flooring people are coming on Monday, Ali and his team. So this will all start to look a lot different, and all this has got to get cleared out. A lot happening. This will be it brief today because it's just the painting. So I'm gonna go outside real quick, get some photos, and this will be actually going up coming soon tonight. So get ready, it's coming fast. Okay, it's Saturday and we are, the painting is going on. So the color will change in here, not going to be dramatic, but we're in the kitchen now and we're just, Kiko and I are talking. Kiko's doing better from the acupuncture.
Much better, yes.
So I'm very happy about that, and I'm going to go in this week. Maybe I'll turn the camera on so you can see that.
3/4 man now.
See Dr. Chen. But we're talking about the cabinets because these are going to be replaced, stainless steel. But the cabinets are bothering me, and Kiko agrees that, again, these are all going to be gone. This will be stainless steel that is going to look better with white cabinets. So I'm going to get those changed. We'll change those to white. The flooring will be changed. It's going to be a like a grayish, called salt. So it's going to look a lot better. But the cabinets they got to change. So we'll make that change and an adjustment. And that's it in here. The color is up. It hasn't dried yet, but you can see. You probably don't notice that much on the camera because it's so subtle. But so anyway, you're probably not going to be able to tell from this, but it's a lot cleaner and a lot better. It's just a very light gray, not white. You know, we didn't want white, but there you can see. That's the best way to look at it on the baseboard, the contrast. So by Wednesday, all this will be gone. And the new flooring will be in from the kitchen all the way throughout. And with the bathrooms already done, it's starting to take shape. So we're closer, probably a week and a half away, because Kiko's gonna lose 2 days, a day and a half inside because of the flooring guys coming in Monday and Tuesday. Ali, whose company's great, you saw in the previous day when we were at his shop. And I use them for a lot of different places. So that's it. That's today's video. It's nothing extensive. We'll get a picture from outside because we're going to go up coming soon for this property. And so all I basically did is inside. You can't tell anything. Somebody would be like, I'm not interested in that. I took a picture of the outside to show that patio space, which is massive. So that's it for today. We will be back. Well, actually, I'll be in here Monday when they're doing the flooring, give you an idea of that, and then Tuesday as well to see it wrap up. So that's it. Thanks for watching again today. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't watched the other videos from the previous days, check them out somewhere around here. And as always, message me with any questions. And if you're looking for something specific in terms of a property, I have access to everything, including some stuff that's not out yet, like this, but it will be. So you better hurry. This one is a rarity, called a rare gem, to have that much outside space off of a condo, a block from Whole Foods. It just doesn't happen very often. See ya, take care. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.